I feel amazing. Dr. Spahr is the only chiropractor that I trust and I will ever go to. So, thumbs up for sure. Yeah.
Hey, I'm Dr. Spahr. We got your back Chiropractic, Houston, Texas. I'm about to work on Samantha, who's been a patient for a little while, right?
2020.
Off and on. She's having issues with her neck, predominantly on the right side, correct?
Yes.
So I'm gonna do some myofascial release work on her muscles to loosen those up first, and then I'll get her adjusted and she'll be ready to tackle the day. You going to work?
Yes.
What are you going to school again for?
Radiology.
Just let me know if there's too much pressure. All right, here we go. Just trying to relax. Excellent. You all right?
Yeah, that felt really good.
Good. Good. All right, deep breath in and blow out. Good. Feel that tendon?
Yeah.
It's kind of tight. Been sitting at the desk too long?
It's probably
Too many
from
days.
shoving cassettes under patients.
Exactly, that too. All right, I'm gonna have you lay on your right side for me.
Oh.
Go to the other side for me.
You don't even have to do anything.
That's my favorite kind. It's lazy chiropractic. On your back.
Those are good breaths.
Good. Be a little pull. Let's see your right hand. Go ahead and sit up and face the window. And relax.
Ooh.
Is that good?
Yeah.
All right. So I'll see you Monday, huh?
Yeah.
Excellent.